Twitter, etc. All right. Let me bring up my chat here. Okay. All right. I was gonna do an update for. Whoa, this frame rate looks bad. Let me check this out. Or whoa, this. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, I just got YouTube partner. I don't know. Oh, I hope this doesn't dox anything. I probably should. Man, I've just been seeing all the shit that I dox. Yo, GT sent a yena. Is that an Aussie gift? Yeah, check this out. Tech friend, you've been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Earn stuff while you grow. So now we can have channel memberships, shopping, super stickers, stuff like that. It's not like the paid per views thing, but it's still some way to monetize stuff, so that's good. I don't know if I should be showing all those numbers either, but yeah, I'll probably look into that on my own time. Yo, Clouds in Oakland, good to see you. Yeah, but what I did want to do was show my updates for the massive video I did. Some people were like, oh, those job apps weren't real, but I actually like these confirmation emails. Actually, you can see that it's from like Versal.com, and I didn't check these ones, but like Chainlink Labs. Okay, this one they use hire.lever.co, but yeah, so these are some well-known companies that Massive has applied me to. Unfortunately, I got the response from Chainlink. They said they're not going ahead with my app, and same with OneSignal and a couple of the other ones. But I think what I'm going to do today is change my settings in Use Massive to maybe apply to less senior jobs and more kind of entry level and mid jobs. I think I still have mid level on, but maybe I'll take off senior and put on junior, because I don't think I had junior level on. So if I edit profile, where do I select the, oh here, entry level internship, and then we'll take away, oh no, I'll keep senior on, and then maybe we'll bring down the base salary to 50k and save those changes. So hopefully, I don't know, hopefully I'll get an interview. I'm still waiting for that. We've got auto apply on, so it'll automatically apply me for jobs, so I can just sit back and relax. Might have a quick look on LinkedIn as well, apply to some jobs while we're here. Let's see what's on the market. Senior front-end developer for 160k to 180k Australian. That's pretty good. What do they want? What do they even do? Biari Networks. Broadband access. Competitive salary. What do I actually need to do? Oh, hell yeah. JavaScript, TypeScript and stuff. That's pretty good. Definitely apply for this one. Full stack engineer at Fetch. A startup on a mission to offer the best care for pets. Flutter experience. I don't really have it. They say it's a plus. We'll give it a go. How many years do you have with Flutter? 0. Google Cloud Platform. Startup. Yes. Yes. Front-end developer at Arcadian Digital. React.js CMSs. What's Craft CMS? I haven't heard of this one. User-friendly CMS for creating custom digital experiences. Okay, interesting. I'm sure it's not too hard to learn. We'll apply to that. Full stack dev at Mosaic. $40 to $80 an hour. Hell yeah, 100% remote. Sounds pretty good. Why isn't my keyboard working? There we go. $55 to $100K, no thanks. 190 to 210K, pretty good. U-Power. Distributed energy. Sure. Sponsorship. Oh, a VR job. Vantari VR, the forefront of technical leadership, VR-based medical training simulation. Cool. C++, probably don't want to be working with that, to be honest. Rebelo, consumer tech companies. Sounds nice. Technical API developer for cutting edge generative AI. Yo, Ronald Duck, what's up? Good to see the regulars still alive. What's new? What have people been looking into? Alright, that's enough job applications. Things have been like kinda quiet, but not on the AI front. Mistral has released Mixtral. Not sure if you guys have seen that, but it's pretty big on Twitter. Amir has been exploring AI agents the best way one can by building. Okay. Mixtral. So they're using this thing called MOE, Mixture of Experts, or Mixtral of Experts, I guess. So they kind of have 8 different expert AIs rolled into one. So it's like 8 times 7B. And apparently they're outperforming like GPT 3.5 in a bunch of metrics, which is pretty cool. I haven't really bothered to try it, but apparently you can get it working on LM Studio. Ronald says, do you know Florian Bedita? Sounds kind of familiar, but I don't think so. Florian Bedita, what's this? Someone from SF? A tech influencer? A ChatGPT activist? A LinkedIn influencer, is it? What do they do? Damn, they type a lot. Are they like an expert ChatGPT user? To plumb to the very depths of ChatGPT's capabilities. And they wrote a book. Leak cases of using ChatGPT. And they've tagged Bill Gates. Oh, you're reading his book. Okay. 1337 ChatGPT. Is it good? Wait, is it free? I want this. $40. $42. Seems like a lot. It's free. Where is it free? Can you say discount code free? 100 off. Maybe it's free on some other platform. It says it costs. Even he says it's a book and books cost. This is why I created the promotion. Oh, those are 80% off. Oh, maybe we can. Look, I'm not gonna buy it, but I just want to see if I can get a discount by just trying different coupons. Nope. All right. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. So it's all good, Ronald. I probably won't. I hardly ever do any like prompt engineering stuff. Maybe I should. I assume that's what it's about, like techniques for prompt engineering. Okay, we did that. I got access to Kria AI, so let's try that. I'm just gonna open a window. It's really hot in here. I'll be right back. I hope that cools it down. I don't know if it will. Thanks for looking. No worries, guys. If you have anything you want me to check out, just let me know. It's one of the reasons I do these streams, is to do the interaction with everyone watching and get ideas, try things out. Okay, so Kria AI, they have this real-time image generation thing. I'm sure you've seen it. You can just do some stuff on the left here and it'll create an image on the right with a prompt. You also give it a prompt, so yeah, let's what should we create? An army of prompt engineers. What does that look like? Prompt of software developers. Software developers in our room. All right, can we clear everything here? Background. Oh shit, we can create any background. How about in like a room like this? And what other tools do we have? Shapes. Kind of want like a table. Oh, a big screen. Maybe 2 big screens. Can I do dual monitor? So okay, I guess it's free for everyone because I didn't even have to log in. Super futuristic home computer station. What do you call it? Workstation. Do it. Hectic. What about lots of little monitors? It's pretty cool. Damn. There's heaps of monitors. If we try to make like a computer and a mouse, will that work? How do we change the color of this out here? White. Ooh, black. And a mouse, which is also black. Kind of. Pretty cool. Screen to image. Whoa, you can share a screen. It's pretty cool. Do they have any other apps? Real-time generation. Upscale. These things are cool. I've seen people upscale like logos. Let's try upscale the TikTok logo. I don't know if this will work. It like sometimes adds details to stuff. So let's see. Oh, you can give it a prompt as well, so I could tell it what kind of details to add, I guess. Which is pretty cool. Does seem a little slower than I expected. I mean, I've never tried it before, so can't expect too much. So I'll leave this running while I look at this Mistral paper. Did they say anything else interesting? No, not really. What else did I want to test? Oh yeah, Pinocchio actually. So I downloaded this software called Pinocchio, and it's one of those softwares where you can run AI models on your computer locally, which is really awesome. So, and the one reason that I use this over LM Studio is because LM Studio, which is my current local running favorite application, local model running application, is that it only works with text pretty much, so only language models. Whereas with Pinocchio, they say that you should be able to run like, you know, image creation with stable diffusion, video to open pose, style aligned, etc, etc. Okay, so we can see that the TikTok thing didn't actually change much, I guess, because it's not really what about like this picture? Hold on, let's find a really detailed one. I have this AI generated image of Tech Friend. This, oh, you can't really see it too well. Hold on, let me can I? No, I thought so. I just messed everything up. Give me a second, I will fix it. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of just Tech Friend, futuristic. And I wonder if we can outpaint as well. Let's see. Let me show you guys Pinocchio. It's really cool. So it actually like sets up like a Conda environment and downloads the models and sets up everything for you automatically. Well, that's the idea anyway. So I tried running SDXL Turbo, but I get this error that other people are having as well, and I couldn't really figure out how to fix it. So we might try another model, style aligned, and I'll show you the process. You just find it on their Discover page, you save it, download, and then it clones the repository. You can then click install, and then it runs like a shell inside the app and installs everything it needs to, like the Python packages and the model weights, etc. So it's pretty cool in theory, but unfortunately I couldn't get it to work with SDXL Turbo, so we'll try this Google Style Aligned, and if that doesn't work, maybe we'll try another one. I don't know. These models are pretty big, so it is a bit annoying. I think it'll take a while to download, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, while that's downloading, let's see if what else I had to do. Oh yeah, respond to comments. I was gonna go through my comments and respond to them, so I won't do that. I'm gonna just do it off my phone. So bear with me, I'll set my phone up. While I might as well leave Pinocchio on top as well so we can see how that goes. Okay. So I use this program called Visor. Oops, that's not it. Visor. There we go, to run. Whoa! That's my upscaled image. Actually looks a lot more quality, but they've totally changed up the face and everything. Like, I used to have a beard here and a mustache, sorry, but the mustache is missing. And he looks a bit younger as well. I don't know if that's just because of the mustache. The @ symbol has changed to a umbrella looking thing as well. But it's definitely high definition. We'll download it. I think maybe I can have a comparison. Will this open? Here. Oh, it's because this is on top. So, oops. These are the two images. You can see if I zoom into this one, you can kind of see that it's a bit pixelated, but the right one is super crisp. So the enhancing and the density has worked really well, but it did a whole lot more than just enhance the same image. It's kind of changed the person and a bit of the text. Oh, a lot of the text. Actually, this text looks kind of better. No? Oh, not necessarily. But yeah, that's interesting. So that was Krea.ai. I think they are free to use to some limit. I'm not sure what the limit is. It doesn't say how many like credits I have or anything. But yeah, it used to be closed beta. Now I think it's open beta, so give it a go if you want. Yeah, I was gonna go through and read some comments on my phone. Where's Visor? Here we go. Let's do TikTok first, shall we? Oh, Style Aligned is finished. Let's try launch that first. So this is an attempt of running Google's Style Aligned text to image generation locally. I don't know if it'll work. Yo, Brutal Strike. Yeah, I have a good idea. Work on 3 junior jobs instead of 1 senior job. That is a funny idea, and I've definitely thought about that. Like, I don't know if it's easier to get a junior job, and if it is, because I'm worried that junior advertisers only want to hire junior people, and they won't hire more qualified people, more senior people. I don't know if that's really the case, but we'll find out, I guess. Alright, let's read the comments on my latest videos. Okay, so this is downloading Safe Tensors model. It's only a gig. Is that the only model it needs? Yeah, right. Okay. Idly with the W, thank you. The Secret Shopper asks, how can you have computer video in the background? And the answer to that is, I use OBS software on my computer to record and live stream. Nice AdLoo, bro. Does it also work in my country in Switzerland? I think it only has US jobs, but you can apply to work remote or get a sponsorship. I think that's another reason why it's hard for me to get one of these jobs, is because I'm not a US citizen. So for people like me and Joe, it's gonna be harder. And Jed says, let me know if you get some interviews. Yes, I will update, but so far nothing. $39 a month is nothing compared to all the time it'll save you. Yeah, definitely. Do they even really view the resume? I don't know, I can't confirm that. Yeah, oh, actually, I think in one of the responses, which one was it? Here, Chainlink Lab says, we understand how much effort goes into preparing a job application and we don't take it lightly. We truly do read every line of the resume. Do you believe that? I don't know. It's just a nice thing to say regardless, I guess. Yes. Staff engineer is like a top. I saw 7 years experience. Yeah, staff engineer. So the first job I show is this software engineer at Airbnb, and to be honest, I don't really know exactly what a staff software engineer does. Let's find out. Staff software engineers work with cross-functional teams to design, plan, and implement complex software-related projects. Okay, so yeah, they're like senior leaders. They work with other engineers and they like kind of manage and build complex projects. Follow to see when you get the interview. Waiting for the interview. Thanks guys. Thanks for the tip. Oh man, I'm getting so many of these spam messages, dude. Delete. And I leaked my number. Yep, I dox myself all the time. Okay, AGI predictions. Damn, this one got a lot of comments. Sure thing, bud. A lot of people doubted it. They seem like a baseless claim. I'm quite confident we are plateauing. And then there was a little discussion whether AI is plateauing or growing. I think it's definitely growing. Whether that will reach the big singularity moment is still not 100%, but I think most people are on the consensus that we will eventually get there. Will it be next year? Who knows? Although I think most people agree that it will happen in the next 5 years. I think the worst part of the current AI thrust is that it's very clear that so many in tech simply want to bring back slavery. That's a very intense comment. I think AGI is already here, but people who have it are keeping it for themselves. It is used to trade stocks. That was an interesting comment. So I don't know. There's nothing that really hints towards the validity of someone having an AGI in-house and not telling anyone. I think the closest people that might have it would be an OpenAI, but yeah, I don't think they're doing much with it if they had it. Like, especially trading stocks. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like AGI's strengths wouldn't be in stock trading. Unless it's like deploy some swarm to sway sentiment. That would be kind of crazy, actually. Charlie says, AGI isn't a stock trading tool. AI is so far from understanding concepts rather than making statistical predictions. AI does better market analysis than humans. A bit of fear in this comment. What does it end up? Feels really bad. Who do you think will be the first to announce AGI is here? This guy claiming that they're AGI. Someone making an analogy to radios and televisions. And Pratik's saying super intelligence. It's not the same as radios. It's a literal alien encounter. And then a bit of a debate whether the radio analogy is good. TJ says we all lose our jobs and perish. It's an S-curve. We are right at the foot of the rays, and when it's going to slow down, we'll all be controlled by AGI or killed by AGI. The inequality of the world is about to become even worse. Yeah, that is a concern for sure. It seems like the people that will benefit from this will skyrocket, and the other people that can't benefit from this will just be like left without jobs and need some kind of social compensation. Seems like a very plausible outcome. Someone asking about who this is. Prediction: the search for true AI will ultimately reveal more about consciousness, which will expand our understanding on relationship to reality. This is really cool. Consciousness is something that I've always been really interested about, but it seems like it's really hard to do any science on it. It's just so fleeting and unlike anything we know. So if AI helps us understand consciousness better, that would be awesome. Dave Friedel, we are at best 8 years from achieving this and still don't have the fundamental component for reaching this. LLMs are powerful, but not the same. I should probably like this. It's a valid opinion. So AI is teaching us how to build better computers so it can get even better. Yep. Asimov made this prediction before. We're equal amount social progress to match a new automation. Yeah, this is what I was saying about we needing UBI, universal basic income, social progress. Essentially a way to keep people from becoming super poor compared to the rich people. Make sure everyone has a good quality of life, because yeah, it'd be bad if they didn't. Imagine 3D printing in crystals. Well, as much as I enjoy the current AI, I can't use it for anything. Yeah, like it can't really do much of the complex technical jobs at the moment. People betting that it's wrong, people getting excited. People asking for AGI's definition. Smart saying it's pretty much impossible for AGI. Here are my thoughts. Google has something better than human experts. So OpenAI has made a mid AGI. For sure Q-Star is real. Lamau. Yep. My wife is perfect. This comment was funny. I don't know. Wayswell is saying UC Berkeley is at the forefront. Top PhD programs in chemistry, material science, and computer engineering. EE with the best labs to bring specialities together. Lawrence Berkeley Rab. Actually, I haven't heard of UC Berkeley doing much AI stuff recently, but before they were doing some really cool things. Like I remember one thing, they were visualizing like people's dreams and thoughts with like an AI. I thought that was really awesome. Greedy Generous, look at history. It'll be used for war profit and some types of slavery. That's scary. AGI isn't happening anytime soon. AI as is cannot learn. It's not curious. It does not have needs. It does not have the human experience. I feel like these are things that we can kind of program an AI to have. The curiosity and needs and self-learning. I feel like these aren't like hard barriers for it. Ivan saying the GNOME paper sucked. There is a good thread by a chemist on Twitter showing how it's basically not even checked at all. Damn, is that true? Still no cure for COVID. Coming to stay with the nerds, have a clue. It's just machine learning. Calm down, everyone. Nonsense. What are these filtered comments? BS. We'll approve that. You're allowed to call out BS in my chat. I say pros. One was an ad Anything interesting on this? Someone asked my name. Someone saying using Turnitin. I don't really know why they commented that there. Oh, this one has so many comments. Might take us a little while to go through. How's our download going? Okay, we're downloading. Okay, so this is a bit more size than I was expecting. 5 gigs for diffusion model, which is something that we already had downloaded for the other one, so that's kind of annoying that we have to download it twice. Alright, so the top comment here is user74 Donald Trump saying my code was whoa. Oh shit, it actually launched. Alright, we're pausing the comment reading because this URL here, my locally hosted URL, this is actually from Pinocchio. So this is style aligned image generation via shared attention. Let's have a look at their website, 'cause I honestly didn't expect this to actually work, so I don't really know how to use it. So, oh, you give it an input image with a prompt and a style, and it converts one style to another. Okay, so we can give the reference image. Let's just give the me. This is another image I generated of me talking. The reference style. So we need to talk about the reference style. Wait, what? Oh, okay, so we give a reference style and a prompt. Reference style, digital, rain, matrix, future, illustrated, vibrant, glowing, cyber technology. Describe the reference image. Yo, Akena, good morning from Nigeria. Good morning. We're running a locally hosted image generation thing from using this app called Pinocchio, which takes care of a lot of the installing and running of these AI apps on your local machine, which is really awesome. So let's see how slow it is and how it works. So we have to describe the image here. So I'm going to say podcaster, tech friend, describing tech in the metaverse, digital rain. Okay, new prompts to image, generate new images. I have no idea. Tech podcaster in blue hoodie. I think I had like something like Persian tech podcaster in blue hoodie. Also generate new image. Cat in the metaverse. I don't know. Let's just do a small test, see what happens. Alright, we'll let this run. I have no idea how long this will go for. Oh my god, it's slowing down my computer. I'm sorry, guys. This is not good. Okay. I'm gonna have to stop this. Okay. Okay, it's still fucked. Okay, it's better now. So I had to stop that because it made everything lag. So, yeah, I don't think I can do that without lagging everything. So, just the fact that we got it to run means it probably does work. So, shout out to Pinocchio. I'm pretty sure it's open source. They're on GitHub. They have an active Twitter. Yeah, I heard about this through AI Andy. I mean, not AI Andy, Matt Farmer. So Matt Farmer AI TikTok. If you guys aren't following him, make sure to follow him. I'm not sure if he actually tested it.
New AI tools, Pinocchio. This is the best way to install all local AI tools like Face Fusion, Stable Video, Comfy UI, anything in one click. New AI tools are releasing constantly, but if you don't know how to install them, select your setup, Windows, M1 and M2
Yeah, it works
Mac,
on all platforms.
Intel Mac, Linux, it works with everything. After going through the install, launch Pinocchio. You're literally one click away from installing 99% of AI tools. Hit the Discovery button. Let's install Face Fusion. The best version is listed in the latest section. Click download, then
Yeah, you can see here it actually installs like Conda, Git, Zip, everything for you.
install. First, it will install the requirements, which can take a bit of time. Then it will install Face Fusion. You may need to hit install after installing the requirements. So easy. After it is installed, you can easily launch it from home. Bam! Installed and working. If you want to use open source AI tools, highly recommend installing Pinocchio. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay up to date on it,
Yeah, it was awesome. It kind of says you pulled it from GitHub. No, you don't even need to pull it from GitHub. Just go to Pinocchio. What's the word? I googled Pinocchio. Pinokio, like this, Pinocchio, and the website is pinocchio.computer. And then you just press download and whatever platform you're on. You don't even need to pull it from GitHub, so it's really easy to install. Anyone could use it. It's just for some reason I couldn't get SDSXL Turbo to work or real-time Stable Diffusion, so that's a bit annoying. But we did get Style Align to work, so yeah. And there's like many more models as well you could try. Alright, I'm going to continue with this. Yeah, Donald Trump says my code was non-proficient. They were mad. I used an if-else and not a switch. And to be honest, like, I tried to do a switch. Switch would have looked better, but yeah. And then someone said they're a director of engineering and they use if-else over switches all the time. And they hate pedantic peer reviewers that can't even solve a simple DFS. Then John Trump says you have no clue of the performance impact on large-scale projects if you think that switches are fine or something like that. And some spam, dude. Pretty much all of these comments have a spam message replied to them. So annoying. A lot of people were saying that like these technical interviews are like free labor. I think they're legit. Like honestly, it wouldn't be that useful, these kind of tasks that they give us to do. But yeah. Try to get a blue comment. I don't think anyone got the blue comment. I don't know. Or maybe the creator can't see its blue comments. I don't know. Some people said they worked for Trilogy. I don't know if it was on here. I think the best comment on Instagram actually said that. Probably won't go through all of these, but yeah, and other people saying that they tried applying and never got anything. I mean, I guess they get a lot of people applying with a salary like that, and they only take one person or something, so. Yeah, as this guy says, they are legit, only the best of the best get in. Yeah, so someone from Trilogy actually replied to the Instagram comment, which was really interesting. Instagram video, let me show you. Okay, we got top comments. Why isn't it the most liked comment first? Pretty sure it would be the most liked. It's just kind of hard to find it. Here, is it this? No. Some persons shared their experience. I did an application on this platform. It was crazy. So many tents, so little connection to people. In the last test, having already done 3 code and logic tests, they wanted me to film an answer for some soft skills. It's so crazy that these companies can't even be bothered to interview candidates in person anymore. I mean, I don't blame them. This is probably way more efficient for them, so yeah. Yo, Jagjit Chopra, what's up? I'm trying to find. Oh yeah, ACR says Trilogy is actually part of Crossover, and they're extremely toxic. Yeah, a lot of people were saying that they install spyware on your laptops to measure your keystroke rate and take pictures with a webcam. You're expected to work non-stop with no breaks except lunch, and let's say if they even if you need to think of like how to write code and you don't type, you might be considered absent and fired. The company grows by acquiring other companies to make products. It's almost like multi-level marketing but for software. Oh damn, that guy might have actually deleted his comment, the one, because some people were replying like, why are you talking bad about Trilogy when you work for him? That's really interesting. Because this video did blow up. It got like 1.5 million views. Maybe he got fired. That's crazy. I'm gonna try to find it. No. Did he get fired? No. Oh shit. That's pretty funny. Damn. You might have actually deleted the post. God damn it. Let's see, maybe I can find it through here. Comments. Oh, someone wanted the coupon here. Hold on, let me reply to this. Text friend 23. What if it applies to the company where you're working? That would be funny. Oh shit, I didn't get this. Comment. Tech friend 23. I didn't even click buttons. Why do you want to work at this company? I don't know, I just click buttons, but it's like I didn't even click buttons. The AI did it for me. So, oh man, how did I miss all these comments? Damn. I mean, it was. I hope they saw it. Shit, I'm stuck seeking selling tropes. This shit's really hard. Okay. Where was I was trying to find the comment where the guy says they work at Trilogy and they don't recommend it, but I can't get it. It's a real shame. Maybe if I sort newest first? No. Dude, he must have deleted it. I wonder if someone from his work saw it. That's so funny. I don't think I have it on. It wouldn't be hidden. No. Damn. That's really funny. Yeah, that video blew up. It got me so many followers. I think it's like 1.5 million views. Crazy. Crazy. Alright. That's the responding to comment section. Finished. What should we do now? I don't think I have anything else planned. I might wrap it up soon. Unless I can think of anything. Let's see, what did I have? Oh, here we go. Internet of Agents. I saw this on Twitter today. Let's look at this. So, shout out to Div. I'm not gonna DivGarg9 on Twitter. I think they're the founder of Multion AI. Are they? No, seriously. I assume so. So Multion AI is, I thought it was a web AI agent. And Div has been working really hard to make that tool. Very smart. Oh, they have YouTube? Oh no, they're lectures. Damn, he's a lecturer at Stanford? Okay, so this guy's probably a genius. He's worked on extreme Q learning. Maybe Q star. Yo, Ronald Duck, no worries. I think I'm gonna do this, so it won't be over for a little while. But yeah. The Joe says, what's your biggest tip to monetize code projects and make money from code? I think if you can deliver value, unique value, you can sell it. Sell the package it with an API key or something. Sell the access to your software. But I guess that comes into actually delivering value from the project. Yeah. That's so it's not the traditional freelance or sell your time. It's the actual, if your code can deliver value to someone that they can't get anywhere else, it can be convenient or more faster than something that already exists, or it can be something completely new that doesn't exist, which is like the best way. And then you can charge for it, find that price point that you can charge for it, and yeah, then you make money that way. You probably need to do some advertising. It's a lot easier said than done, but I follow a lot of people on Twitter that are building in public, so if you're on Twitter to get some inspiration of the kind of stuff people are building, you can just go to the hashtag building in public and just see like the type of projects that people are building. So web highlights, I don't know why this is so popular. Web highlight, like the stuff that you might think aren't very, oh okay, so you can highlight your things across many webs. This is actually a pretty cool idea. You know, whatever your idea is, you could probably get it to make you some money. I think it's still pretty hard. That's the dream anyway for software development, but yeah, it's a lot harder than it actually is. I guess another way is you could start content creation. You know, that's one of my strategies. You know, make content of you coding to 0 viewers. No one really ever views my stuff on Twitter. At least not live. I think maybe, how do I check? Maybe they'll watch the VODs. Like the last view. Oh damn, 128 views. That's actually a lot more than I expected. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh no, those are impressions. 61 views. 21 views, okay. Okay. You're showing us how to live the dream, thank you. Yeah, I mean, it's hard, man. Like, I think the hardest thing about working for yourself is keeping motivated all the time. Yo, Ranjot Gill on, why isn't my, oh okay, sorry, I didn't have my YouTube messages showing. Wait, what? I'm missing, people have been talking on YouTube and I've been missing it. Ranjot says, my buddy's trying to pump content like you with a fully automated AI workflow. I think it's close to finishing. Are you using AI entirely for your content? No, I'm barely using much AI. I use okay, let's just Brutal Strikes. I use, what's that thing called? Adobe Premiere's auto transcription to make subtitles for my videos. So that's pretty much like the only AI I really use. I've made some videos with like the AI tool Wizard AI. They gave me a little sponsorship, so I've used their tools. It's great, these tools. You can upload a whole YouTube video and get some, actually I might put in my other YouTube videos. You can get clips from it, so that is really sick. Fazla Rabi Chaudhry, where are you from, bro? I'm pretty much been in Australia my whole life, but like my nationality is Iranian or Persian. Yes. I recently followed them. They have some cool videos. So let's see if I can get Wizard AI to process this. So you can just go upload from link, paste the YouTube link, and it generates clips for you, which is excellent. Yeah, and we just let that process. Okay, so yeah, I was talking about Div They seem super smart. They're working on Multion AI, a personal AI agent, and they just posted this tweet this morning. Said that they gave Multion the ability to launch and manage agents. So that is insane. Look, they got you give it a prompt and it launches many different agents in many different windows to do something for you. And they've just given the GitHub repository. Awesome. So let's look at this demo here. They say my social media manager and agent, and they've just asked it to go on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook and post about my company's product, Personal AI. And then you see that after some time, it's actually opened Twitter and Facebook and it's automatically typing and posting the content, which is very cool. Tarantella Serpentine says, have you tried Open Interpreter with Mistral's 8x7b? No, I haven't. I have not. I tried it with DeepSeek Coder 7b and it worked, but nowhere near as well as like GPT-4. Solzel, is it really hard to get a job as a developer? I think the market at the moment isn't great, so yes, it is hard. But there's still a lot of jobs out there, so I think as long as you're good, it shouldn't be hard. But if you're average, it probably is hard, and if you're below average, it's probably impossible. But I think that probably goes for most jobs, most specialized jobs. Okay, Internet of Agents. I want to try this. It seems so simple. So let's just copy the code and try run it, I guess. Do I have a TikTok folder? I do. So what's in here? Okay. Some projects. Alright, Internet of Agents. Let me open this in VS Code. Running VS Code like a pro, folder fancy inceptions. Drag the Git folder in there. How do you do that? I just go file, open folder. Hell yeah. Alright. Make big. Okay, so this is how simple their code is for their social media manager. Objective, go on LinkedIn, they just put the prompt there, manager agent, like that simple. So I don't know if we can just reuse this but put our own prompt. We will find out really soon. Let's see if they have a requirements folder. They don't. Why don't they have a requirements folder? So I'm gonna just try run this thing, but I bet you it's not gonna work because I don't have any of the modules installed. Yep, as you can see, no module name prefect. So let's just create let's create a Conda environment and install the packages. It's so hot. Okay. Pip install, what was it, prefect? Nope. Pip install prefect it was. I don't know if this is the best way to install the dependencies. It really should have just had a requirements text, but it's whatever, we can do it manually, I'm pretty sure. Prefect is. Let's have a look while it installs. I feel like it's gonna finish as soon as I tab out. Prefect is an orchestrator for data-intensive workflows. Oh, cool. Okay, that was that one. Now let's see what it complains about next. Multion. So this is their actual agent itself. I need to go pee. I will be back in 2 seconds. Yo, Tarantula says default font. I don't know. This isn't the default font. This is Firacode. Yeah, Firacode. I got the ligatures, so I can do like. Maybe it is a default. I don't know, but it's called ligatures. But it's the it's a default theme. It is a default VS Code theme. I like it. I've tried different themes and I like this one. Oh, they use guidance. Microsoft guidance? That's cool. So guidance is what people used previously to have like reliable output from LLMs. It's by Microsoft. But oh no. Is it not by Microsoft? Oh, maybe it's not by Microsoft. Okay, will this work now? Surely there's no more packages. Oh, instructor. Now, come on. Oh, it's doing something. Nope. Module guidance has no attribute LLMs. Really? Ooh, where was that from? Manager.py. LLMs. Ooh. Is that a typo or? Alright, let's just try LLM, I guess. Yo, Juice, good morning from Indiana. Hello. LR, what's going on here? Why is some streaming themselves downloading Python libs? I'm trying to run this. Okay, so Div posted this post about this thing he built called Internet of Agents, which you give it a prompt and it spins up multiple web agents to fulfill the prompt. And they didn't provide like a installation readme, so I'm just trying to run it and installing all the missing modules until it works. That's my strategy. It's not working too well. It's not working too well. NumType has no attribute OpenAI. Okay, so LLMs. Guidance. Wait, what? Guidance. The LLMs. If use OpenAI or use Hugging Face. Mental Puppy would do the same. Yo, son of a fine boy! Oh, you're late. Yeah, this is towards the end of a stream. LR says just find a collab notebook for it. I don't think that there would be one. This was released like yesterday and it's pretty low key. 32 stars. Let's see. This one? No, this is the same thing we were just on. Yeah, I don't think I don't think a collab of this would exist. Or should I make a collab? Is that what you're saying? I want to see if I can figure out how to use guidance. Or maybe it's like the version of guidance. Guidance LLMs. Let's see if we can do this. Oops, yes. Here. Guidance LLMs. Oh my god, I hate Medium. They don't let you see shit. Okay, so this is definitely I think we gotta use a different version of guidance from June 3. June 16, June 3. Here, we'll use 0.0058. How do you check pip module version? LR says, I mean, I did try to find one, but if you make one, I'll see if I can get it to work. Got nothing better to do. I'm just gonna try to get it to work locally. Yo, Nick Humphreys on YouTube. What's good? Pip show. Let's see. Pip. We'll clear this, make it a bit tidier. Pip show guidance. What version do we got? 0.1.5. Okay. We want what do we want? 0.58. How to change pip module version. Pip install upgrade. Yeah, but how do we get a specific version? Pip install force reinstall -v. Okay, let's try this. Pip install force reinstall -v. Guidance equals, is it 0.5.8, I think? Was that right? Yes. No, 0.058. 0.058. Let's see if that works. 24 people watching live on TikTok. This is like a new record. Damn, I didn't realize we had that many people. Yeah. I don't think I've ever gotten that many people before. Let's go, TikTok. Especially at this time of day. 5:46 on a Tuesday in Australia. Pretty good. Pretty good for me. I joined as a hater, but now I'm invested. Yeah. Don't worry, most people join as a hater and then they see how much of a nice guy I am, and you know, they become like nice guys too. Oh, son of a fine boy says I'm actually a really good developer. Thank you so much. Okay, let's try run this again. Okay, we got a new error this time. Cannot import name, start blocking portal from Anio. What the fuck is Anio? Let me just try Google this. Okay, good. Someone else has had that issue. It's always really good when someone else has the issue because sometimes they can fix it for you. Okay, upgraded my prefect from this to this. Alright, I guess we have to do the same thing with... Dude, why didn't this guy upload a requirements text? I'm gonna comment on his thing. Be like, please upload requirements.txt or enlighten me how to know which package versions to install as I am slight Python noob. Okay. How? Does everyone just have to go through this like process of figuring out which Python version to install? Seems stupid. Bro, I have a data structures and algorithms final in 6 hours? Bro, 6 hours? Tips, data structures. I think, get really good at the basic ones. Like depth first search, breadth first search, you know, like tree traversal. What else is there? Like the utilization of objects, like key value pairs. You know, just like, I think getting good at the basics will get you further than like perfecting the niche things. I don't know. That's like a small tip. Philly Trill says, I'm getting pip install pillow errors. Are you trying to install the same thing? LR sub, thank you. 99% of CS on TikTok is painful. Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. What LR, I'm curious to know your gripes on like why the computer science stuff on TikTok is painful and how maybe I can differentiate myself. Tarantula says, we're here for the 2000 series GPU you're running. Yes. He was rushing prop. Yeah, probably. I don't even know. How do you make like a requirements.txt? Oh, you're installing Stable Diffusion on an external host. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see why. Okay, so this is apparently something to do with prefect, yes. Prefect engine.py. So we have to see what version of prefect did we install. Okay, 2.14.10. And they said 2.12.1 worked for them. So I guess we'll just try install that version. No, why is there spaces? Okay. Son of a Fanboy says, it's either they keep repeating their roadmap on how they make... Oh, yeah. Those, like, day in the life of a CEO making $1 bazillion as a software engineer remote in Tunisia. I mean, maybe not Tunisia, but, like, in the Maldives. Yeah, I've seen those types of content. Good devs focus on appealing to other devs get blurred. Yeah. I don't think I got your first comment, LR, but yeah. I assume it's the same as Son of a Fine Boy. Oh, you're just copying... I mean, continuing from that. Ranjot says bubble sort for sure. Yeah. Head massage emoji if you're still here. Bubble sort is recommended by Ranjot. Mr. Mental Puppy says everything is painful on TikTok. Tarantella says I have a project for you if you're down. Nothing fancy. Merging 2 GitHub projects into a small local API if you think you could do it and the dollar amount. Yeah, if you're interested in hiring me, I do freelance software development, although I am probably a bit more expensive than what you could probably find on Upwork. I charge 100 US an hour at the moment, just because of supply and demand. But yeah, if you're still interested, you can message me on like Discord, or yeah, I think that's probably the best way. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, a new error. This, and it looks like we're making some progress. Okay. Cannot import validate cell from Pydantic. Okay. I wonder why that is. Let's see. Let's see what internet thinks. Ooh, no one has this. No one has this exact error. What about ChatGPT? Would you know what to do? Pydantic is new SHQT. What is Pydantic? Pydantic. Oh, spelled that wrong. It's the most widely used data validation library. Can we just skip data validation? Make sure you have the latest version of Pydantic. Okay. Yep, we do. And then check for conflicts. Okay. Oh. Prefect 2.1 is a requirement, Pydantic less than 2. Nice. Okay, so we just have to change our version of Pydantic. Wonder if, can we see the stable versions, release history? Okay, what do we need? Version less than 2. So let's go 1.10.13. Pydantic 1.10.13. You can tell ChatGPT all the requirements and see if it asks the requirements.txt. Wow. That's a cool idea. Should we try that? Let's try that. Cool idea, LR. Let's see if we can do that. Given these Python imports, write requirements.txt. Consider all dependencies and versions such that they are all compatible. All right. Oh, they're only updated to April 2023. I think that's okay. Prefect 2.0. Shit. Wait, let's see what version of guidance. 0.1. What did we end up installing? 0.058. Oh. I don't know. I think some of these libraries weren't even out then, like guidance. Perfect prompt writing. I don't know if that's sarcasm or not. I don't think my prompt writing is the best. Let's see if this worked. Same error. Successfully installed Pydantic 10.13. Dang. Is that pip show? .13. Let me wait. Is that what I said before? Oh yeah, validate call. Wait, it couldn't find validate import. Is that the same thing? Validate call. No, wait, what? I quit it. Because why? I don't know. Wait, if we upgrade it. Oh, it's because the version of prefect we're using is incompatible. I see. Install and run this shit to some auto. Yeah. Well, that's why Pinocchio is great. And tools like that take care of all the version management and installing for you. But I think a lot of this would be solved if they just had a requirements text. And I'm not sure if the one ChatGPT gave us is actually good. Prefect 2.20. Maybe we should do that. No, they say less than 2. Oh no, that's Pydantic. Requires. Prefect 2 requires. Okay. Let's try prefect 2.0.0. And then I don't know what version of Pydantic this will install. Can I just... How can I upgrade a package to the latest compatible version with other requirements? Have an open interpreter deal with it. Oh, that's a good idea. That's actually a good idea. I might try it to do that. Let me just try install upgrade. Oh, it worked. Okay. All right. Let's see what error we get now. And oh, this looks maybe better. What is this error? User warning. User warning. Oops. If you use root validator, you must specify skip on fail. Is that an error? Yes. Not that root validator is deprecated and should be replaced with. Ooh. What version of Pydantic are we running? 2.5.2. That's the latest version. Hey. Let's go June 3. 2.0. Let's try 2.0. And yeah, if this doesn't work, we will get Open Interpreter to deal with it. That would be pretty cool. I've always wanted to have like use cases for Open Interpreter. Okay. Okay, let's see. Interpreter. Interpreter is not happy here. Let's open a new terminal window. So I'm not in the same Conda environment. Can I run the interpreter here? Looks like it's working. Model set to GPT-4. Okay, that's good. Should I do interpreter Y? Yeah, let's do interpreter Y. Automatic mode. No regrets. interpreter. Why? Git pull it. They have an update. Okay. I haven't. Can I just do this? How do I think I have to upgrade the Python package, no? I think it's called something else. Open interpreter. Pip install upgrade open interpreter, no? Yeah. Okay. Interpreter Y. Okay, great. Create. Wait, no. Try to successfully run social manager.py without any errors. Use conda environment IOA. And what's another thing? Try to find the correct versions of pip modules to install such that it works. Okay, here we go. It's going to be running on autonomous mode now, costing me a lot of money. Just point it to the directory and tell it to figure it out. Nah, I feel like you need to do a little bit of prompt engineering. Just giving it tips like, you know, find the right thing and test the right thing. Okay, conda activate IOA, that's good. Great, it's activated the conda environment. No valid key change. Okay, so this is the error we got from the prefect library. It seems that it's using the deprecated feature of Pydantic library. Error also suggests that the Pydantic library has been updated to version 2.0, which may have some breaking changes, so this could cause the error. To fix this, we'll downgrade it to be compatible. Okay, great. Seems like it's not okay. That's interesting. It thought that it wasn't installed. I don't know if it keeps the conda environment. Okay, so they got the same error. Now let's see what they try now. Now they're going to try downgrading Pydantic library to a version that is compatible with prefect. Okay, they're going to try Pydantic 1.8.2. This is cool. Does it automatically. It might cost a little bit of money though. GPT-4 Turbo. I have tried running Open Interpreter with a local LLM and it does work, but it's a lot slower and not as smart. So we'll just keep it using my money. That's okay. But yeah, this is a very good use case for Open Interpreter. That was a great idea, Tarantula, that using Open Interpreter to find the right package versions for a Python project. Okay, so 1.8.2 didn't work, so now it's going to try 1.9. This is very tedious work that is perfect for like an autonomous agent to be doing it. The only issue is obviously the cost, but we could have tried to use a local model if my 2000 series GPU wasn't bad at doing that. Oh, this validate call was the error I had before. It would be so good if this agent also worked with a web browsing agent, so they could like do some little bit of research. LR says way less promising. It'd be cool if it went deeper and tried to see why it didn't work. Yeah, exactly. If it actually had some research capabilities to see why we're getting that error, that would be great. Because right now it seems like it's just, I don't know, it seems like it's kind of randomly testing different versions, which isn't a terrible strategy, but obviously it's not the most optimal. It's brute forcing with money the American way. Yeah, exactly, Mr. Mental Puppy. Brute force with money. Whoa, why is it asking for feedback? At this point, it might be best to contact the developers. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so mission failed. Still a very cool use case, but I guess the strategy, just the fact that it doesn't research is pretty annoying. Tarantula says, I'm telling you that leaked model I told you about is up there with GPT-4 with free tokens. What leaked model? Let's try this. Let's try LM Studio with DeepSeek Coder 7B. I want to see how different the execution will be. LM Studio. How do we... Okay. Ooh, LM Studio update. Whoa, they now support vision models in LM Studio. That's crazy. And Mixtral 7B. What? That's so good. Alright, we're gonna update the latest version. Baklava, Lava, Obsidian. Do they have Stable Diffusion? That's so good. Whoa, we got vision models in LM Studio, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Vision models in LM Studio. It's Christmas. This is like, this must be a really recent release. How can we LM Studio release? Is that they have a, that's a beta release. Maybe on Twitter they posted. No one's talking about it. Dude, I'm gonna be the first one to post about it. Hold on, let's make this more hype. Let's try to get some clout here. Hype! LM Studio now works with vision models and Mixtral. Is that too much capitals? Let's go. Open source local LLMs for the win. I'm gonna do AI because I guess, are the vision models still considered LLMs? I don't know. Whatever. Mixtral is the new hype for sure. Oh shit, dude, Div replied and said they posted the requirements text. Absolute legend. Thank you. Wow, dude, Twitter is so cool. You could just talk to these smart people and they just, they submit a pull request in less than, how fast was that? 22 minutes? 16 minute, 5:53, 5:48. In 5 minutes, guys. This guy updated this thing in 5 minutes. Wait, there's no requirements text. He didn't update it. Did he? 17 minutes ago. Poetry. How do you use poetry? Okay, so these are the requirements. I have to learn how to use poetry now. Yo, maybe we could just make our own requirements text. Requirements. Okay. How can I replace all versions with what's in requirements dot text? Pip install poetry. Yeah, and then should I just use poetry? Is that gonna make it easier? What are the benefits of using poetry? Why use poetry? It's a helpful teaching tool that can help students improve their literacy. Okay, I see. Oh, it's just like pip. It's a package manager. Okay. Okay, that's fine. uninstalling. Okay, let's just use the requirements text. Whoa, here. Why did the copy bad? Okay. Xargs isn't recognized, bro. Fuck it, let's just requirements. Let's see if this works. Okay. We will let's just start from the start. We're gonna git pull. We're gonna git react deactivate. Git reset hard. Git pull. How to destroy Conda environment. Is requirements in the folder? Yeah, I made the requirements text, but anyway, I pulled the new poetry stuff. Let's try poetry. I need to remove the Conda environment. I just made it. How to install packages from Python poetry toml. And then let's create an environment called NOA with Python equals 3.9, I believe they were using. Let's check with poetry toml 3.9. What does that up arrow mean? I don't know what that up arrow means, but whatever. 3.9. Yes. And then we just do poetry install. If I have poetry installed. Which I might not. So we might have to do pip install poetry first. But we will find out in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, we don't. Pip install. Wait, so you're telling me poetry is meant to take over pip, but you still have to use pip to get poetry? It's kind of like how you use Edge to download Chrome. Okay. Poetry install. Yay, it's doing stuff. This does look a lot nicer than the pip install. Actually, no, pip install does have the loading bar. That is pretty nice. I do like the loading bar. Dude that made it on Mac. Yeah, a lot of developers use Mac, so I'm not surprised there. I just hope it still works on Windows. Ooh, the current project could not be installed. No file folder found for Internet of Agents. If you do not want to install the current project, use no root. Okay, let's try no root. I don't know what that means. Maybe it works. Let's try Python Social Manager. Ooh, it's doing something. No errors yet. So far, so good. Ah, errors. Type error FN must be callable. What? LR says you don't have to, right? Surely you can just download it. Download what? Oh, download poetry. Yeah, I guess so. And without using pip? Yeah, probably. That's a good point. Yo, Sin Dev, I love pie. How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so what is this error? Oh, looks like someone has already gotten it. That's good. Looks like you've installed Prefect 2, but the following instructions are Prefect 1. Oh, is that so? Let's see. We want Prefect 2.14. Can we still use pip show? Is that something we use here? 2.14. Okay, that seems like the right version. Yeah. Back to the README. Yeah. Syndev says they just fixed a bug. Nice. That's been annoying them for a while in their open source project. Awesome. What's the project? Oh, I can check it out if you want to name drop it. And it looks like this error is quite common. Let's see, what version do we have? 2.14.10. Must be callable. Yeah. Missing requirement. Line 2, import manager agent. Class worker agent. Is this worker perform task? Perform task. Line 16, worker agent start session. Where is that start session? Multi on new session. Yo, Syndev has posted their open source project, not to be confused with Sabre.js, or Subray.js maybe, I don't know. Substation Alpha Subtitles Renderer, GPU accelerated Alpha Subtitles Renderer. Ooh. Do you have a demo? View the gallery here. Oh, sick. Good stuff. Generates these subtitles for like anime, seems like is the main case. Gallery needs updating. Yeah, well, at least you have one. Some people just post code and they expect you to kind of know what it is. Sets out to I Love Pie. It's giving coder. Yo, what's up, XOXO Storm 20? It's giving debugging this pip thing for 20 minutes. Barcodo says, I would put a breakpoint in the error line and go through the stacks one by one. Yo, actually, I don't really know how to use breakpoints in VS Code too good. Let me see if I can do that. Alright, let's say here. And then I think we have to use this. No, that was the wrong thing. How do we run it? So I'm pretty sure that's how I add the breakpoint, but then to actually run it, run and debug, Python file. But then it like doesn't use my Conda environment, which is annoying. Ooh, I got a new follow. LR, finally convinced you to follow. Thank you. Exo says they're in tech sales and can't comprehend code to save my life. Dude, I've been coding since I was a small kid, and it's still really difficult to fix bugs. Failed to save manager.py. Of course it's module not found because it's not using... How do we get this to use my I don't know how to get it to use Conda. I'm not very good at VS Code debugging. That was a good idea though, Barcoda. If you have any tips on how to actually get this to use my Conda environment, I'll look at it further. So what do you do, cybersecurity? No, I do software development mostly. Nikki Dub says compress F file on the file to debug it. You can create a launch JSON file. I think that's how we should do it. Launch JSON VS Code. Let's see. Let's actually ask ChatGPT. How can I create a launch JSON for VS Code to use a particular Conda environment? Yeah, dude, ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT, what are you doing? It's 2024 almost. Create a Conda environment. Okay, I've done that. Select the Conda environment in network error. Alright, regenerate. You're telling my management? I am my management. Not using it as a real thing that should be reported to management. Yo. Okay, a launch JSON. Conda. Control Shift D. Wait, if I launch. Oh, we have a launch JSON here. Okay. Add your Python path. Launch file. Python path. Path to your Conda env. Ooh. How do I find that? How can I find my Python executable in my Conda env? I'm sure there's a command to get that. Oh yeah, just Google for the actual JSON file. That's actually probably a good point. But which Python I think is what we need. I'll make sure I'm in the Conda. Yep. Which Python? Oh, which is in PowerShell. Where.exe? New alias which? The fuck? Wait. Get command Python.path. Okay, there we go. And where do we put that again? Python path. Python path. Whoa, it wasn't in the integrated terminal. Oh, it's complaining. In unescaped character. What if we use these? I don't know if that'll work. No, it didn't work. Escape the escape. What are these messages? Using ChatGPT for my interview questions. Wasting. Oh, got a follower. Leffer, thank you so much. What are you trying to run? I'm at my computer. I'm trying to run the debugger. Escape char before double. I don't know if that was the issue though. Hold on, let me launch JSON Conda. Select interpreter. Oh, let's try this. Python. Select interpreter. Oh, okay. We could have done this. Oh, shit. All right, let's see what happens now. Is it gonna be? Did it pause? No, here we go. Excellent. It actually got to the error. which apparently is in here, perform task. In the def perform task? Why does that make sense? Why is it in the error comes in the let's try to rerun this. In the definition, not actually in the, I don't know. My Python's not great. What is str? String. So these are the type, it's defining the type of input to be string. Okay, we're in it. Next step, static method, def login, task, static method, def perform task. Some reason this line causes an error. Barcado says don't select current file. Oh, good point, good point. We were trying to run this file, right? We're still right, select current file, but it's just got to be the right file, right? I think. Social media manager.file, yeah. I mean, he got us to the same spot anyway. I'm pretty sure the error will be the same. Yeah. Still the same error. Fn must be callable. Yeah, it's fucking. Oh, actually, what if we can we go into, instead of trying to step over that definition, what happens if we try to go into it? Let's see. So if we press this button, step into, goes back here. What the fuck? What? Alright, let's try that again. We'll just keep stepping into until we figure it out. Into, no. Didn't really give us anything better to work with. Worker agent. Fn must be callable. This actually gives us less information because originally when we had the error, oh, I guess we've removed it. Oh yeah, here. Where was it? It actually said that it was coming from prefect, which we don't get through the debugger, so it was actually worse. If only GPT Vision could fix this. We don't need Vision to fix this, not even normal GPT could fix this, or can it? Daz says, is this what comp sci major is studying? How to debug? Debugging is a very common task in software development for sure. The amount of time I spend trying to just run Python projects is a bit sad. Just trying to think. We can assume we have the right versions of the modules. I don't know. I don't know. Yo, shouts out Josh Elton liking my post. Thank you. Barcode says, what's FN anyway? I don't see FN on that line. Yeah, so it's not actually from this line. It's from the library prefect, which for some reason gets called right after this line. Oh, it's because it's to do with this at task. That's why. All right, let's see. Let's give ChatGPT this code. Let's see what it does. I have this code, but I get this error. Help me, ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Suggests that there's an issue with the at task. Yep, just like I thought. So that's called a decorator. The at task decorator is used to turn regular Python functions into prefect tasks. This usually occurs with your code snippet is defined as a static. Ensure callable, static. Here's a revised version of your method. Class worker agent static method at task perform. Okay, so they've just pretty much put the thing above this. Okay. Will this work? Let's see. Cool, we get a different error this time. We're back to square one though. This guidance has no attribute LLMs, bro. Yo, user 150, thanks for the follow. Ryan the Maker says, what are you coding? I'm actually not coding, I'm debugging, but I'll give an update for Ryan and everyone who's joined in. So the homie DivGarg has uploaded this project here called, what do they call it? Internet of Agents, which you can run and it spins up multiple web agents to perform your task, which is super cool. So in this video they say go on LinkedIn and post, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and post about this personal AI agent thing, and then you can see that it opens up these windows, 2 separate windows of doing tasks, automatically writing and posting on the social media. I'm just trying to get this example working, but I'm getting a lot of issues. So now I have suspicion that these versions of these things aren't actually the correct ones. Guidance has no attribute LLMs, supposedly. And I think when we discussed this before, it's not how you run guidance on LLMs. They don't do this anymore. This was an old way. So now I have suspicion that we actually got wrong version thing from Div, which is a bit sad. Ryan says, Dan, that's awesome. So it's some like LangChain agent. What LLM is it running? So this Div guy owns a thing called Multion, which is kind of the web agent on the back end. I'd assume, I don't know, they either have their own thing or it's just using GPT-4. I'm not sure. Soap emoji says, would you get the Neuralink? Yo, Trap City, thanks for the follow. Would I get the Neuralink? Good question. I think eventually. It seems really awesome. But, oh, sorry, I don't know how long I've been zoomed in for. Eventually, I think I'd get the Neuralink. It does seem really cool, but at the moment, and probably for the foreseeable future, I think it's too early for me to put something like that inside my head. But when it's like, when everyone has one, I think it'll be awesome. Natio, what's up? Welcome to the stream, guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here. I don't know if I should message Div again, being like, yo, your shit still help me please. Because this does seem like a really awesome project. It's just sad I can't get it working. Does Multion work? I think they're not public. Let's have a look. I'll quickly check this before I leave this stream. I think last time I checked them that it didn't work. There's no agents available. Could we create a new agent? OpenAI. Create a tool. New tool. Okay, I think this is new. Web search. Search web. Useful for research and getting up-to-date information. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's gonna use Bing, that's fine. We don't need a data source. Okay, sweet, and we have a prompt. You are an AI assistant that gets today's weather for New York City. GPT-4, let's get an LLM key real quick. Damn, guys, $1.40? I think this was from my Open Assistant usage. That is way too expensive. Does that also count the... No, it wouldn't count. This is just API, right? It wouldn't be the web app usage. That's crazy. Alright, let's try Multion. Yo, Mount Makalu, thank you for the follow. Damn, they made me do a captcha for the API key creation. That's crazy. All right, new NYC weather agent. Do we need a picture? No, we don't. Create. Do we need a description? Guess we do. All right, we have an NYC weather agent. Run. What's the weather in NYC? Run. Sick. Dark mode. Oh, the input text is still white. Okay, this isn't exactly what I expected from Multion. I'm not sure what it's doing in the back end, or maybe we needed to give it different tools. I expected there to be like an actual kind of Chrome extension web agent. Yeah. Just Multion pip. Do they have a page? No. This is quite slow too. Damn. Oh well. Yo, Kyle, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this stream here. Donkey, thanks for the like. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you gained something from it. Yeah, let me know. Send me some comments or messages on Discord what you want to see. Hopefully I can provide the content that y'all want. Otherwise, yeah, that's probably me for today.